Today we will be talking about the planetary positions from the 24th September to 13th March 2023. Mars and Saturn Veda in chakras. Bold from the blue as predicted by me, much in advance. You can see for yourself what all is happening. The planetary positions are taking the complete globe for a very rough ride. I have written n number of articles, and especially when there is Veda, these two major malefics and heavy malefics, Mars and Saturn, when they have Veda in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra and the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, then it is time for trouble for the complete globe. And then on top of it, it is taking place from the 24th of September to 13th of March. And then we have two eclipses. The 25th of October, the solar eclipse, and 8th of November, lunar eclipse, irrespective of whether they are visible in a particular country or not. But they do affect the individuals and the country also to some extent. But where they are visible, then they have a very important role. Let me read out this article for you. I have already written n number of articles, and I have already predicted well in advance for the time frame between 24th of September to 13th March 2023 is a period which will take the complete world for a bumpy rides, and following events may be seen with dimension. In my previous articles, I have also specifically mentioned the countries suffering: Taiwan, Mexico, Japan, US, India, China, Indonesia, due to earthquakes and tsunami, floods and trouble from rains. The global economy burst is also on the cards due to the Saturn aspect on Jupiter and Ketu, especially when both are in progressive state after the 23rd October and 23rd November 2022. Till this time frame, the economy may rise and fall at intervals and repeat this cycle of 1992 when at the time of Harshad Mehta scam. I also suspect a scam in the banks, and a world millionaire may also be involved in the scam around the eclipses in October and November 2022. The happenings in different countries have also been discussed, and whatever is happening even before the 24th September 2022 and after 15th September is parallel to events predicted by me. Earthquakes, typhoons, floods and tsunami-like events, brawl between the countries taking an ugly shape, violence, riots, blasts, terrorism, political instability, and then the economy burst. I had predicted that after 24th of September, the stock market would also take a beating. But since the planets, 3 planets are retrograde, then it becomes volatile, rise and fall like a sine wave. But when they become direct and progressive, then they give very concrete results, and that will be after the 23rd of October and 23rd of November. So friends, then first we have to look at the chakras which open the secrets of warlike situation in the globe for the above events around the world and countries most prone as discussed in my previous articles. You see, Taiwan has had an earthquake, and I had predicted about Taiwan, but I had predicted around 24th, after 24th. Then Mexico also, and then Japan also were all discussed in my previous articles. Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, Mars and Saturn Veda from the 24th September to 3rd December, and then from the 24th December to 13th December, most critical for above events. The chart is shown. If you are interested, you can go to the link and you can see for yourself. Then Rashi Sagata Chakra, Veda between Mars and Saturn from the 16th October to 15th November, and then from the 18th January to 13th March, there will be Veda between Mars and Saturn. Basically, these two giant planets, they aggravate these situations and create a war-like situation in the globe. Any big wars cannot happen unless there is Veda between Mars and Saturn. But this does not mean that we will have big wars. There is a possibility. And it is seen that when Saturn is in Rohini Nakshatra in Taurus, then we can definitely predict that it could be nuclear or atomic war. But not right now. There will be a fear, like a hanging fire for the nuclear war. And you can see for yourself the war between Russia and Ukraine has escalated. I had predicted that till 17th and 18th of January there is no relief at all. And specifically till 13th of March 2023. Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra at the time of solar eclipse on the 25th, there is again Veda. Rashi Sanghata Chakra on the 25th of October, again there is a Veda. Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra at the time of the lunar eclipse on the 8th May, again there is a Veda between. And even in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra there is Veda. So it becomes most critical from the 24th of September to 8th of November. But mind you, the eclipse is not for a day. The effect is as many hours, as many months for lunar eclipse, and as many hours, as many years for solar eclipse. So friends, we are talking about, then read my article, stock market, earthquakes, typhoons, brawl between the nations. All my predictions seem to be coming true. And you can see for yourself, all has been written. There is no postmortem. They all has been written well in advance. I have written the following articles. I have written the following articles. In this article, there are 10 more articles. So, stock market, global recession, read my article in the Express Star Terror on the page 26-27 in the October edition. I have mentioned in the best magazine of the world, as a matter of fact, as far as Vedic astrology is concerned. And you can see for yourself, you can read that article. All my predictions for the stock market, earthquakes, typhoon, brawl between the countries, all proving spot on. We will witness a repeat of 1962 border conflict with China. There is a possibility, definitely. As Jupiter, it makes closest approach to Earth in 59 years. And Mars will also come very close to Earth when it is retrograde after 15th of November. And it is said that when Mars is retrograde and comes nearest to Earth, it is blood bath on Earth. So, blood bath really literally does not mean blood bath. It shows lot of agony and pain, and blood is terrorism, blast, fire, war. Satellite track 5 storms as Atlantic hurricane seasons heat up. Sensex Nifty falls on the third straight session. Key factors weighing on the market. The market has lost 1084 points and 300 odd points in the Nifty. This was all predicted. Well, you see, broader spectrum predictions for stock market have been correct, but in day-to-day predictions for stock market are extremely difficult. I have developed a software. That one prediction I made was wrong, was simply because instead of Mumbai, I had entered Delhi, and all the predictions went wrong only because of that factor. But otherwise, the software is doing perfectly well, and we need a lot of research on it, and I am working on it. Sensex loses 1084 points. Heaviest spell of rainfall in Delhi NCR's sheer, you can see the pictures. The car is totally You can only see the roof of the car. Two cyclonic circulations may form over Bay of Bengal in next 13 days. US and Canadian ships move towards Taiwan. What does it show? The brawl between the nations is increasing, and after this it may take an ugly shape. After Lancaster, religious violence in Britain spreads up to Birmingham. Markets live update: Nifty around 17,450. A look at the gold prices. The gold prices have taken a beating after the US Federal Reserve revised rates. And Jupiter is in own sign. So there is a question of the gold going up. Dow falls 500 points after US third consecutive rate hike of 75 BPS. US interest rate highest in 14 years after Fed rate hike will have ripple effects in India. Another massive earthquake of magnitude 6.8 strikes Mexico today, the 22nd September. Russian President Putin escalates Ukraine war. NIA raids PFI terror funding case. Monster typhoon smashes into Japan. Rupee falls to record low of 80.47 against US dollar in early trades. What is next? It can go up to 83. Super volcano eruption. Alert raised after thousands of earthquakes in Taiwan. Xi Jinping asks Chinese forces to focus on preparing for war amid tension in Asia Pacific. Housing market recession. Home prices fall as rates reach 6%. As interest rates they reach 6%. Powell signals recession may be price to pay for crushing inflation. Taiwan once again shaken. More than 100 earthquakes, tremors in 24 hours. Heavy damage. Massive earthquake of magnitude of 7.5 shakes Mexico. Pacific coast. Possible risk of tsunami. Communal violence in UK, Lancaster. India-Pak march results in rampage. Biden nuclear warning to Putin. The rapidly rising interest rates in the US can cause economic devastation all over the world. All the events seem to be predicted well in advance, and much more to be seen after the 23rd September to 13th March 2023. Note these predictions. All my predictions have been spot on, except for the day-to-day prediction for the stock market, I admit. And that was basically because of the faulty place. Mumbai should have been entered, and I entered Delhi, and the results went haywire. So in any case, and more research has to be done, and what my feeling is that if research is done, wonderful parameters and wonderful predictions can be made even for the stock and financial markets day-to-day basis. I have used it for cricket, and I find the results are 100%. This software I have developed with great hard work, and for the inputs to be collected, and so one person in Taiwan has helped me, and I'm really grateful to him. But all the same, we are working on it, and we will try to improve it as at the earliest and as at the highest level. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.